Hey, yes, turn on. Yes. I pose the mango, you know. You ready? Ready? Representing. Hey, you, come here. Babe, it's Papa about your babe. Let me see your outfit. Look at Mama. Hi. Sarah. Representing. Stand up beside Thailand, say cheese. Stand beside Thai. Sarah, cheese. Cheese. Thai, cheese. Everybody's in cheese mode this morning. Oh, hi face, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new beautiful sunny day here. Yes, I just said that. It's sunny with a little bit of wind outside, so it's about to be a beautiful day. Today, by the title, you guys probably know what it is. We are heading to a Jamaican event today, put on by a Jamaican, hosted by Jamaicans, and I think some other Caribbean people will be there too, but it's mainly put on by a Jamaican. So we're in Paris and there's quite a few Jamaicans that's living in the area, and people also travel from different parts of France just to come to this event. So we'll be all in our Jamaican elements today. I really don't know what to expect going to this event, but I'm going in. I'm looking forward to meeting as much Jamaicans as possible and connecting with a few of them who I connect with through our Jamaican in France WhatsApp group. Quite a few YouTubers will be there too, because a few of the Jamaicans here in France are YouTubers. So when I meet them, I'll make sure I'll put everybody's link and name so you guys get familiar with the other Jamaican YouTubers that are living here in France. But I'm so looking forward to it. I actually do not have on any Jamaica shirt, but I have my steam fish and okra body Jamaica shirt in my bag. But this is my outfit for the day. I have a little green going on, so I'm still representing, but my kids are representing in their Jamaican shirt because they're perfect Jamaican shirt.
Too.
Do you say good morning?
Good morning. I with my flag too.
And Tyler drew a flag this morning and says he's representing. So we are heading out right now. It's actually supposed to be a picnic setting, I heard, where there'll be Jamaican food, there'll be Jamaican products selling and all that. So we're just gonna go and discover and have a good day. So of course I'm gonna take you guys along and film every single bit of it so you guys enjoy this experience the way that I will. Say hello to the faves. Look at Sarah in her Jamaica shirt, and this shirt was given to Sarah by a Jamaican subscriber when we went to Jamaica, and it finally fits, so she finally gets to wear it today. How perfect is that? Anyway, you guys, I am heading out right now, so catch you guys when I reach to this event. See you guys in a bit. Guys, hopefully y'all can hear me without this music and I don't get flagged for it, but I'm at the Jamaica event and people slowly trickling in, so I'm just here watching what's going on. Sarah, hey. Let's see how she grew up. Me coming. Show them, bro. Go on, princess. Go on, princess. Show them, princess. Show them. Of course, 4 of them there. Here, babe, why you carrying 4 trips? They want to stand now. Event was put on by Jamaican Creatives, and Jamaican Creatives is owned by a Jamaican living here in France. The event is run by her and her family. It's solely free. All we had to do, if you wish to, it wasn't a must, you just donate a little coin in a box, and that was that. You could purchase drink if you wanted at the spot. And Jamaican Creatives is run by Sandy, and I get to understand also, correct me down below, Jamaicans that live in France if I'm wrong, but Sandy is the first Jamaican to own a restaurant here in France. If it's still up and running, I won't be able to say, but I'm sure if you have that question, somebody down below can answer to give you guys more information on that. But yeah, this event was put on by Jamaican Creatives, and I get to understand that it's every year that this event is put on by Jamaican Creatives, Sandy. So if you're ever in Paris and you want to be a part of this event, you can contact Sandy at Jamaican Creatives. If that's not the handle, I'll put it down below in the description box so you guys can get into the mix of things. All right, you guys, so this is the food that they send, that they give. Festival plantain, little salad, rice, fish, and little curry. And in this one, wait time, in this one they have jerk chicken. Oh, she put fish in this one too. A little curry, festival. Yes, Tyler have it. Alright, wait, let me get one picture there.
Wait for me. Wait for
one. Look! The patty machine not working. It's not hot in Shana say. Bam 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 bam. It's a little bit tough because it's cold. But if it wasn't cold, it would have been better. Now let me taste the festival. The plantain good, but like I said, it's cool. But if it was hot, it would taste good. How's the rice and peas?
I mean, like
rice and peas taste good. Rice and peas are shot. Nah, lie. Don't babe. No? Babe say prefer home, well of course. But rice and pizza, go on. Rice and pizza go on with itself. Sarah, curry chicken tastes good. I'm not lying. Curry chicken tastes good. Now I have the fish for taste and I have the jerk chicken for taste. I'm not telling you what going. So I just realized that I didn't come back and tell you guys how the fish and the chicken was, and they were equally as good. But like I told you guys, it was cold, so if it was hot it would be even better. So that was that for the fish and the chicken. It's a long time that I've had a real pan jerk chicken, and that was I could taste the smoke from the chicken. But I love my food hot, so I just didn't want it hot, and then it would have sell off. But it's a picnic, so you can't expect otherwise. Jamaican, Belgium have everything. The table that I showed with all the Jamaican products, they're from Jamaican, Belgium. Anything Jamaican, you name it, Jamaican have it. They can send it to you. I'll leave all their information down below in the description box. Here is my good friends that we connected through the WhatsApp Jamaican in France group, Nazelia and Shana. Me not have to give her no introduction, babe. No who this is. This is Nazelia. There's quite a few more people that I didn't want to put the camera too up close and personal. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of this video, even though you guys won't be hearing much because of the music, and you know I can't put out the music in the background within the vlogs, so I'll have to put my own music over it, which is okay with YouTube. That's why I have to mute out the Jamaican music, so you guys won't be able to get the real Jamaican vibe from the Jamaican music that was playing, but I'm sure you guys understand. Anyway, you guys enjoy the rest of today's vlog. This person who I'm about to show you, Nazelia, if I butcher your name, I'm sorry. But Nazila also have a YouTube channel, and she's doing amazing on her channel. Go and show Nazila some love. Her channel name is Tupsa Coco, and I'll leave her link also down below in the description box and in the comment section. So you guys go and show Tupsa Coco all the love that you showed my fam bam. What's a dance? Hey, what's a dance? I'm Magdalena, what's a dance? Hey, fling your shoulder, lad. Hey. Bertha, look how they're too much, yeah. Papa knows the winner on the head. It's yummy time. Yeah. Them having party. Gotta get big. Gotta get big. So you guys can go ahead and follow them on Instagram and order your goodies. They'll reply to you in no time and promise you that the shipping will be fast. Anywhere you are in Europe, you can get your goodies from Jamaica, Belgium. Oppose mango, you know? Your husband will call you, Vanessa. Next year, her. The owner of Jamaica, Belgium, right here that you guys are seeing right now. Her name is Vanessa. I am back home and I haven't gotten to talk to you guys since we left here. I mean, since we reached the event, because the music and YouTube is just not compatible at all. So I couldn't get to talk to you guys. So now I am back home at 10 p.m. just getting back home. And when I left there, the party is really just starting. I wish I could have stayed to experience the real Jamaican party nightlife, but I have responsibilities. So my kids come first and I have to come home. However, look what I came home to. Patty. Well, it's not tasty. Our mothers are juicy beef, but it's close enough. I'll take it. It's the best patty I've tasted. That is not juicy, tasty, our mothers. and it tastes good.
Have you ever tasted patty not juicy tasty your mother's?
Yeah, the fake patty that we buy the British at the British store.
Oh, that's not even
patty.
That's not even a
So this patty comes from a Jamaican girl that lives in Belgium that have her own little business that you've seen her in the vlog where I was showing the back of her shirt, but you couldn't hear the sound because too much music was around. So it's her business that sells this, and I got so many Jamaican products from her, so I bought a few things. I'll show you guys those. These are some of the things that I got from Jamaica, Belgium, and it doesn't matter where in Europe you are, you can order goodies from Jamaica, Belgium, and they'll send it directly to you if you are Jamaican, or if you are non-Jamaicans and want Jamaican products. So I have cheesies, I have banana chips, I have round bun, which I love and haven't seen in a long while. I have easy spice jerk seasoning. Goody have cock soup. Goody have Ovaltine. It says Jamaica, Belgium set me up. Let me show you. Goody have Simple Jane. Let me show you what else Goody have in the box from Jamaica, Belgium. Goody have the good stuff. Jamaica set me up with the Aki. You guys know some I love Aki enough. What else me have in the box? Me have so much things me can't show you guys everything. I got my jerk seasoning. Yeah, Goody go on with herself. Let me show you what else I get from Jamaica. You guys know me love festival, so I have my festival mix. Yeah, that's just some of the things that I got from Jamaica, Belgium. So I enjoyed the event today. I got to meet a few Jamaicans who are in our WhatsApp in France group. So that was cool. Along with a lot more other Jamaicans that were there. There's a couple hundreds of them. So it was cool. The event was okay. I went in with no expectations. So whatever we got is whatever we took. But yeah, it's a good little get together for Jamaicans each year. And it was a good experience to be there. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Sarah is here because she's doing her business, so I'm waiting on her to finish before I put her to bed. Tella is already in bed. Baby's somewhere around here munching something so that we can go to bed, because tomorrow is a Paris tour day, so we are going to rest so that we're not too tired for tomorrow. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the little Jamaica link up that we had here in Paris today. It was a really good experience. I get to meet a few of my faves, and that was amazing. I'll also insert some photos of persons who I didn't catch on the vlog. Yeah, but it was a really good experience. I'm happy I was a part of whatever happened today. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you're new to the fan band. And I'm gonna enjoy my patty, and of course I'll see you guys tomorrow.